Incubators are essential for many microbial methods, particularly for culture-based analysis of drinking water. Here we address the need for low-cost incubators for use in locations with limited infrastructure. We will detail the construction of an adaptable, low-cost, transportable incubator using commonly available materials. This incubator operates under a range of environmental conditions and performs similarly to laboratory-based models.
This method can be used for any activity requiring an incubator that can maintain a constant temperature in locations with or without a reliable access to grid-based electricity. It is possible to use different components than those described here as long as they fulfill the electrical requirements, although different components may influence how the incubator performs.
The main inventors of this version of the incubator are Jürg Sigrist and Eawag, technicians from our laboratories.
Before assembling the heating unit, gather one 280 by 250 mm support plate, two 60 by 60 by 25 mm axial fans, four 20 mm long spacers with an internal diameter of 4.25 mm, one luster terminal with 3 pins, 4 M4 and 1 M3 screw nut, 8 M4 and 1 M3 washer, and 4 M4 and 1 M3 screw. Next, drill the appropriate anchorage holes into the support plate for securing the axial fans and the luster terminal. When all of the holes have been drilled, use 2 M4 screws, 2 screw nuts, and 4 washers per fan to anchor the axial fans in the center of the support plate, using the spacers to maintain space between the fans and the support plate.